In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets with a team or for multiple users. If you're tired of juggling 5 different versions of the same file and wondering which one is the real one, this is the simple workflow that keeps everything in one place and up to date. The key is to work in a single shared spreadsheet so everyone is looking at the same live data, not copies. Start by opening your sheet and clicking the Share button in the top right corner. This is where you decide who can get in and what they're allowed to do. Invite the people you want to collaborate with, and then choose the right level of access for each person. Pick Editor for teammates who need to change data, adjust formulas, or update formatting. Give this to people you trust to make updates directly. Choose Viewer for folks who just need to see the results, like stakeholders who are checking progress or reviewing final numbers. Viewer access protects the sheet from accidental edits while still keeping everyone informed. If someone's role changes later, you can always come back to this Share panel and switch them from Editor to Viewer, or vice versa, without creating a new file. Once people start opening the sheet, you'll notice colored cursors and highlights showing who's active and where they're working. This is your real-time collaboration view. Always take a second to look for those cursors before you start typing. If you see someone editing the same range, give them a moment to finish or move to a different part of the sheet so you don't overwrite each other. Those colored selections are your guide to staying in sync. If you spot an empty area, go ahead and work there. If someone's already on a cell you need, wait a beat and then continue when it's free. This little habit keeps your team moving smoothly and prevents conflicts. By using the Share button to control access and by watching those colored cursors as you work, you avoid the chaos of duplicate files and conflicting edits. Everyone stays on one source of truth. Updates happen in real time, and you don't have to merge changes later. So, stop emailing files back and forth. Keep everything in one shared Google Sheet, set the right access for each person, and keep an eye on those live cursors to collaborate without stepping on each other's toes. Thanks for watching, and follow for more Google Sheets collaboration tips.